Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jane. This is my jam. And today I just thought I'd show you a couple little things that I picked up recently. And I do have one small bag to reveal as well. And so that's what I figured I'd do. And so one of the first things I got, because I'm addicted, is another Stanley cup tumbler. Autumn had gotten me the 40-ounce one, which I absolutely adore. I love it. I can't believe how cool it keeps everything. And so I've been keeping that on my main level floor for when I for my water. But when I'm not working or filming or something like that, when I come up to sew, I wanted a container of water for my sewing room as well. And they had this orange, and I just decided to try it. This one's a 30-ouncer, but it works great for me, and I love the color, and I just wanted to see what the 30-ounce was like. They both will fit in my car, which was important to me to be able to set them in
the trunk?
No, in the cup holders. But you know, my Challenger's kind of an orange, so I kind of thought it'd be neat to have this sitting in there, so it's orange like my car. And I thought the 40-ounce might be a little too big to put in there, to put in my sporty car, because nothing says sporty like a 30-ounce tumbler versus a 40-ounce tumbler from Stanley.
Nice.
So no, just loving this one. The biggest difference of these, the 30 versus the 40, is the 30 has the little built-in straw. You just flip it, and then you have the straw. So if you're ever worried about, like in summer, having cool drinks or something in there and bees getting to them, well, good luck, because it's closed. They're not getting in. So I really like that of it too. It's funny. I mean, like, this even feels cold, and I put the water in here like 2 days ago. So yeah, that's the first thing that I've gotten and I've enjoyed using.
So you've bought into the Stanley craze.
A little bit. I bought you one, a 30-ounce one, because he had a 30-ounce Yeti. So I needed him to see how good the 30-ounce Stanley was versus the Yeti. But now he's saying he thinks the Yeti's a little bit better. But, you know, whatever.
They're comparable.
Okay, that's fair. Another thing that I've been getting her into is I decided that I wanted to try to make my own bag charms. So I bought a little pin from Hobby Lobby, and then I attached these little gummy bears to it.
Are those real gummies?
No.
Dang it.
But they're just these really cute little gummies. The pin is silver. I don't know if you can see that.
Mm-hmm.
Is that better with my hand behind it? We'll pretend it's better.
Your hand in front's kind of blocking it, but yeah.
Oh.
There
Like
we
that?
go. Much better.
Okay, so yeah, I just put these together. I got this from Hobby Lobby, and I got the little gummies. I got a bunch of things and a couple chains and everything. This is the furthest I've dabbed into it. I found out that there's a lot of materials you need for this that I don't have, like wire cutters. I did find some wire at a thrift store, though.
So wait a second. You're starting another hobby?
And but I just thought this was really cute, and I thought it would go on to a lot of bags. You know, just really cute to dangle. You know, like, oh, let's dangle
Like a
off
participle?
here. No, but it'll be cute. So, like I said, this is the only one I've done so far. I don't know how many more I'll do, because these tired old eyes, boy, I gotta put on my glasses. I have contacts in, and they're bifocal lenses or
Not
whatever.
bisexual?
But no, and they but when I try to get really up close, I still have to put glasses on then to see up close. So normally I am nearsighted, but
Can't see anything without your glasses.
right, pretty much. So that's kind of a bummer to have to always put them on to try to work with this, but it was still fun.
So am I going to have to do another addition to the house so you can have a room for that?
No.
Okay.
Okay. Then a couple other things I got. I discovered Etsy and how fun it was. So I got this for Valentine's Day, but for whatever else too. Don't Forget to Love Yourself. I just thought this is cute. As you can tell, I like things really big and baggy. So I got this. And I just think it's cute. You know what it reminds me of, though? What's her name? Not Miss Orange.
Miss Minutes?
Miss Minutes from the Loki.
Loki?
Yeah, so if you watch Loki, maybe this is like Miss Minutes' sister or something. Although she's an orange and this is a heart. But yeah, I got this on Etsy.
She's not an orange, she's a clock.
And then, oh, that's right. Then I got this completely for Valentine's Day. Thought that was awesome.
Okay, what does it say here? It says, you are loved, enough, capable, worthy, strong, and a great cameraman. That's nice.
Yeah. So I got that. They had all kinds of colors and stuff, but I thought red worked good for this. Just like the shirt, I picked that color to go underneath it. I thought it was cool. And then last but not least for these is for March. Got Lucky.
Does it say charms on the back?
No, it
Oh.
doesn't say. It doesn't say charms on the back. So I got this too. This is from Etsy. Again, the same shop as the sweatshirt.
They're magically
And,
delicious.
Yeah, I just thought that this was really cool. I think I got XXL here. Yeah.
Do you need your glasses?
So no, and so I have these. I just thought that was cute too for St. Patrick's Day. So I had that, and then I did get a bag, and I was really proud of myself, even though the cameraman wasn't. I went into Coach, and the original reason I went into Coach recently was I really wanted to look at the Nas X collection. You know, like Winnie B got the little blue raspberry colored thing, and I love the color, and I love the blue, and I also love the pink. And I thought, well, I'm not going to pay the money for them after I looked at them online unless I see them. I need to see them to make sure they're like I think they're going to be, because I've had too many times when I purchase stuff online and then I find out the color's not exactly like I wanted it to be, but then I don't really want to return it. And so, nope, none of that. This time I was going to be smart, and I go in and they don't have any of it. They already have the black and white collection that's out. So I looked around in the store and looked around, and a couple little bags kind of caught my interest, but I thought, nope, I'm going to be good. I'm not going to get anything. And there was one bag in particular, well, two, but that I was really looking at, and I think cameraman thought I was going to for sure pick one up, but I didn't. I didn't do it. I didn't pick it up. Then I went in there again this next weekend because I thought, okay, maybe, just maybe, they'll get in like some residual things from the Nas X collection, and that maybe then they'd have them. So I thought, I'm going to go back in. I'm going to see what they have. Maybe they're going to have it, and if not, it'll be a quick trip. Well, they didn't have it. Still have their black and white stuff out and a couple other cute things. But I went back to the very back end of our store.
It wasn't a quick trip.
And then it was to the, was it 70% off section? And one of the bags that I had been looking at the week or so before was now in the 70% off section. So, you know, that four-letter word gets me all the time.
Mm-hmm.
I picked up Disco Fever.
It's a 70s clutch.
It is just awesome. So I got this, and I've been doing this to see if I get like anything on my, because one of the things that helped me from getting it that day is I was like, this is just gonna fall off all over, and it's gonna be messy, and everywhere I set it, it's gonna be full of glitter. And you know what? It's not. So I'm very happy about that. And for 70% off, I can live with it. The sides are just this silver. Front has Coach in silver hardware. Just look at that. I gotta make it shine. I gotta make it sparkle, baby. And this is considered like a wristlet. Nice smooth zipper there.
Not to be confused with a 6-slit.
And then you have the little clip that you can do it just like the little mini pochettes from Louis Vuitton and clip it that way.
Can you put it on the other side and put it on your arm?
Or you could, shut up. You can clip it on here and just carry it like this. The interior has a slip pocket on the back side and then slots for 2 cards on the front side.
Oh no, only 2 cards.
The inside, I mean, look at how much room is in there. I mean, it is big. So what, I was going to see what I paid for this. So it was, all right, it was
75% off.
$192.99. And so how much was it? He can do math in his head really fast. It's funny.
It's like $48, I think you paid.
Yeah.
Because it was 75% off, not 70.
Yeah. So I was happy with that for $45. I mean, I buy all kinds of stuff that's.
Mm-hmm. We know.
So I was just gonna show you
know.
compared to a pochette, Louis Vuitton pochette, the size difference. So here's one of theirs. You can see it's definitely longer, it's definitely taller, and it's definitely wider, and it's definitely way less expensive. So so this is what I picked up. I wanted something from their glitter or sparkle, but I just didn't want to pay the price, and again was too worried about stuff falling off it for the price, and thinking, where am I ever going to carry this? I still don't know where I'm ever going to carry this, but it sure looks cool up on the shelf, and I can even see it in the little camera lens sparkly right now. I'm like, yes, look at that. And it just gets me. It just gets me. And if you're looking around in my room, I have some pictures in here, and they all have glitter on them. They have silver glitter on them. So, yeah, it's just something that I like. And, no, you're not going to show them.
Okay.
But, it's just, yeah, I thought for that price, I was going to get it. But they had a lot of other ones. They had the metallic green, metallic silver.
Metallica.
No, metallic. I don't know if they had any gold. But they had a lot of pieces. In my store usually has, a few things back in the sale thing. But this time they had a ton. And I was just excited because the last time I looked at this, it was 50% off. And I think it was 50% off, like, the normal ticket price or whatever. So I like the 75% off a lot better. And again, I'm not 100% sure when I'm going to ever use this. I'm going to be 100% honest about that.
Mm-hmm.
I like it, but I like other things more that I would more likely carry when I want to carry something this small. Like on vacation, I use my Gucci, and maybe for vacation, but then I'm like, really, like, I want to go into arcades and stuff like that. But like, look at my shiny bag, like I'm ready for a night out.
Did you win that with tickets, ma'am?
I'm right. So I don't know. I don't know when or if I'll use it. I'm going to be 100% honest on this one. But I figured for 40 some bucks, I'm all right with that. And it's really pretty. And
I think if we do like a Wizard of Oz type thing.
I'm still looking at the sparkle.
All right.
So, okay, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. If you are subscribed, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Gotten a lot of new subscribers lately, and I really appreciate it. Would love to have more. Just grow the community a little more. This is such a phenomenal community. I just feel so blessed about the relationships I've already made with people. Really appreciate when you leave comments down in the comments section down below. It just helps me get to know you a little bit better, and that's been really fun as well. People that don't have channels, I get to interact with you a little bit more than I otherwise would, so I really appreciate that. So if you're not subscribed, please consider it. You can hit the little bell notification. That'll notify you every time I put out a video. Generally, I've been putting out my videos now on Wednesdays and Saturdays.
Way to go.
I plan to continue that.
What?
And because I'm being more consistent now, for sure.
New year, new you.
Tuesdays and Wednesdays, or Fridays and Saturdays. Yeah, so no. It is Wednesdays and Saturdays. If you haven't found me over on Instagram yet, I can be found over there too. Easy for me to say. I usually put out videos about, or little reels about once a week, and because I show you what bag I'm in. Right now, I'm in my Duomere. Someone told me how to pronounce it, and I don't remember. And but I absolutely love that bag. It is awesome. So I'm in that right now. But I usually put up a little reel showing you what's in my bag and what bag I'm carrying. I'm over there at James Jam as well. It's JAME_S_jam. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Ditto.